friends, I'm Tanishk and welcome back to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishk. I hope you are practicing your English speaking and listening skills. And in today's video, we will talk about some interesting English facts. So please continue watching this video till the end and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your family, friends and colleagues to improve their English too. So let's hop onto the video and let's talk about the facts. So here the first fact is over 30% of English words are derived from other languages. Yes, you heard it right. There are many words. Nearly 30% of the English words have been derived from other languages like Sanskrit, French, Persian, or many languages. For example, the word avatar. The word avatar has been described from has been derived from the uh, avataran. The word in Sanskrit avataran. It is in Sanskrit language and has been changed to avatar in English language. And you can also the other word is gravity. Yes, the gravity word is also derived from other language like it is derived from the language Latin. In Latin it was gravitas, gravitas, and in English it is gravity. Hence it being derived by the other languages to English. So the next fact is that each letter in English language is very unique. Yes, there are every letter, each and every letter. There is no letter that looks literally the same. The Old English was first written down with Latin alphabets in the 7th century. Over over time, some more letters were added or removed. And by 16th century, the current set of 26 alphabets had mostly settled. Yes, it means these letters in English language are being unique and has been derived from the Latin script alphabets. And so the third the third fact is that there are words in English language that means nothing. For example, the word ghost. Yes, if you look into the dictionary, the word ghost has no meaning. We may think that it may be meant to something, but it is misspelt. Yes, this happened because of the printing errors. For example, a word like Dodd. Dodd stayed in the dictionary for 8 years in the mid 20th century until it was removed in the next edition of the dictionary. Yes, it was true. Uh, so the next fact is the longest word in English. Yes, the longest word in English has 1,89,819 letters. So the word I cannot spell because it is the largest known protein, titine, and is spelled like methionine. I can't spell this. However, the longest word published in the most dictionaries is blah blah blah. This 45 letter word is a type of a lung disease caused by inhaling silica particles, particularly from a volcano. So the next fact is more than 800 words are added to English dictionary every year. Yes, it's true. There are many words that have been added now in this year 2025. uh, So the next fact is that Shakespeare introduced more than 170 words to the English language. Yes, the words like swagger, fashionable, bedroom, gossip, manager have been introduced by the Shakespeare himself to the English language. So the seventh fact is English is the most commonly used language on the internet. Yes, you can see mostly that the default language is set in English. English is often referred to as lingua franca of the internet. This means that the people from different countries who speak different language use English to communicate with each others from different countries online. In fact, about 80% of the information stored electronically around the world is in English itself. So the eighth fact is the E word is the most common letter in the English language. Yes, they the word he, she, me, we, ed, or the words that end with ed, es. This means the most of the words, the common most letter is e only. So the second last fact or the ninth fact is the word run in English can be used in over 600 different ways. Yes, did you know that the run word in 600 different different uses? It is one of the most versatile words in English language. You can use it to talk about so many things such as running a race, running a business, running to shop if the fridge is running, or even saying that apps runs on your smartphone, etc. So the last and the 10th fact is an average person knows about 20,000 to 35,000 English words. Yes, you may know, but you didn't know how many words you know. Uh, the word to average is 20,000 to 35,000. So about the vocabulary words are affection. Affection means gentle feeling or the bondness or the liking to someone or something. Uh, and the second word is concern. Concern means something that interests you because it is important. For example, the scandal broke out in October after the former chief executive Michael Woodframe claimed he was concerned about it. So, thank you, and I hope you have watched the video till the end. And please like this video and share to everyone and improve and keep practicing your English skills. Thank you and have a nice day.